Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Triangle Cube 3 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Asanori Yamamoto and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. Difficulty level of Triangle Cube 3 puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all 5 parts, this puzzle has 5 parts, inside the frame in such a way that all openings, there are 2 openings, one on each side, will be covered and there will be no sticking out parts like you can see here. This puzzle is made of 2 different kinds of wood, Honduran mahogany and acacia, and this puzzle requires 18 steps to solve it, 18 steps to put all parts inside and 18 more steps to remove them from the frame, and this puzzle requires rotation. And now I will show you all parts that you can find in this puzzle. There are 5 of them here, 3, 4 and the last one. The last one is going to be not so easy to remove since I have to rotate it here. Okay, that is all 5 parts you have to assemble into a almost like a cube shape. There are 24 out of 27 voxels will be covered when you assemble these 5 parts, and then you will have to figure out the way how to fit them inside the frame, and that's going to be not as easy to do, but it is possible, and this puzzle is quite interesting to solve. If you like Triangle Cube 3 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!